Goodbye to our house. We're going to Hawaii. ここはレベル2。出る。バイバイ。We just said bye to our friends and we're starting our adventure. ケント今どんな気持ち？わかんないか。I'm feeling a little happy, a little sad, but happy. How about you? わかんない。Okay, let's go get something to eat. Yuna, how do you feel?
Tired.
Tired? We said bye to our friends, right? Yeah, Maya and Leon, they came to the airport to say bye to us. And you got a letter from Maya, right? Did you open it? No, not yet. They'll visit us, and we'll visit them. So it's not a farewell. There's a juice shop, and I think a Vietnamese place, and lots of sandwich places. The kids are eating a banh mi Vietnamese sandwich. Is it good? Oishi. With bulgogi beef. And I'm having a salad. 5-spice chicken salad. Manga 読んでんの? Here's our airplane. Kento, Hawaii ってアメリカ? We're gonna board from now. Are you okay? どうするの?固まってる。何年ここに住みたいですか？住みたくないの？ Rina doesn't want to live in Hawaii. Oh no. Rina, where do you want to live?
Foster City.
Foster City, San Francisco Bay Area, where you were born and where you grew up. I think you'll like it here. Oh, ここ前来たよ。We came here 3 years ago. Ooh. Look. Do we have a view? Let's see if we have a view. 27th floor. 27階. 27th floor. We have a view of what?
A pool. Right down there.
A pool. There's the ocean. Got this tree. Now we're gonna go shooting in DeLuca if it's open. Rina, how do you like Hawaii so far? How's the weather? It's humid? It's humid? I don't think so. It's actually not that humid. And there's a little bit of wind, so it's not hot. It's 6 p.m. So maybe that's why it's not that hot. But there's Marukame Udon.
We're gonna have dinner at the beach. There's so many people in the water. Here's my poke salad and tuna bowl. There's lots of tuna. And ikura tuna bowl. 最高だね. Yummy food and great view. You like Hawaii? Yeah. Did you finish your poke bowl? It was yummy. It was good. We're at International Marketplace, and we're going to go to Mitsuwa, a Japanese grocery store. Time of tea. There's lots of photo spots and tropical fruits we've never tried before, like dragon fruit. This is how we ended our first day in Hawaii. Hopefully we'll be able to show both the touristy kind of places and things in Hawaii, but also just real life for us. If you like our channel and want to follow us along on our journey, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.